for my father because he say he knows everything in English.
Oh,
And I
man.
say, Dad, what is in English for puno? Puno. Puno is like it's like a big it's like tree, no? And I say, I say my father, oh, that's very simple. You see what I put in the mountain? Because my father is born in the mountain, that's why he knows everything. And I say, oh, it's very simple question. It's Nara. Nara, you know Nara?
Please,
It's
yes,
the
I
name
know.
of the trees.
National.
And I said, Dad, why my teacher said that the English in tree is English in puno is tree. He said my father said they say tree because when they say it's three, no? 1, 2, 3. When you say you have 3 puno, you could say 3. And I say, and my father say, Nara, oh, it's terrible. It's terrible. I mean, my father is very good in English. But you know, I mean, when I'm reading a books, and he say,
Book lang.
yeah, we're good in English. So, you know, I said,
Isa lang, book. Hindi mo
and I read in Tagalog. Yeah, I hope you understand in Tagalog. I say, they have, may binabasa ako yung sa, yung Araling Tagalog, pre.
Araling
Sa
Pilipinas.
Araling Pilipino. May tatlong saging sa basket. I've been reading that for half an hour. For half an hour. The three banana in the basket, inside the basket, and my father hear that and he say, "Oh, come on, son. It's already bulok na yung saging hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa mabasa."
The banana is already rotten and still cannot read.
Oh, come on, man. My father is really good in English because he's born in the mountain.
I thought this is born in America.
Wala na sa kanya eh. Tingnan mo sa akin. No?
Ay, patay kayo dyan. 6 months kay Alan na eh.
Tatay. Ay, ano gang
Correct.
English sa
3
saging?
months.
Sige.
Banana.
Hindi, sagot ng tatay ko eh. Ay, digat saba. Saba. Alam mo yung saba, di ba? Ay, bakit sabi po ng teacher ko ay banana? Ay, pambihira ka naman, anak. Ay, pagkahinog. Walang yan, tatay ko talaga. When it's,
Ripes. Ripes is banana.
yeah, banana pa yung saba. Alam mo na, eh, tagabundok ang tatay ko eh.
But when it's not ripe, it's
Saba. Eh, nadali ko naman ang tatay ko, pre.
Oh.
Eh, di sabi ko, tatay, eh, kuntik na akong maunor. Maunor. Yan yung unor, di ba? I just nearly become a
One of the
honor
honors
student. Yeah, after the class. After March, I said to my father, I make a tricks also. Because he's crazy. I'm better crazy with him. Dad, I'm just nearly become an honor student. Oh, son, yeah. Why? You know, Dad, my teacher said that the 1 year on me, he said he's an honor. And then when he say, and then he say to me, why you become nearly honor? Eh, Dad, when he made a mistake to say you will become an honor, I'll become an honor. Sabi ng tatay, kuntik na ako ma-honor, tatay. Eh, bakit ka? Eh, tay, kung nagkamali yung itinuro ng teacher, eh, di kita ko yun.
Malapit na sa choices. It's near to the choices.
Loko din yung anak niya.
Loko.
Ay, nako.